Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the invalid parameters error on Instagram. But first of all, understand what causes this error. Instagram invalid parameters. The invalid parameters error on Instagram usually shows up when something you enter is in the wrong format or not accepted, like during login, editing your profile, posting, or sending messages. It often happens due to special characters, broken links, unstable internet, or using outdated or third-party apps. Now, if you're getting the invalid parameters error, here's how to fix it. Step 1. Clear cache. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. Find and tap on Instagram from the list. On the Instagram app info page, scroll down and tap on Storage. At the bottom, tap Clear Cache. This will remove temporary data that might be causing the issue. Step 2. Update Instagram. Open the Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone. Tap on the search bar and type Instagram. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap it to install the latest version of the app. Once the update is complete, open Instagram again. At this point, the invalid parameters error should be resolved. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.